What's up guys, today's recipe is going to be super simple and is an absolute must try. I'm going to walk you through how to make these loaded bison brats. First, we're going to start by placing 2 skewers down the sides of the brats. You can use as many brats as you'd like, but for this video today we're using 4. Then, we're going to set them on the grill and sear both sides. After about 5 minutes of searing, we're going to want to throw some cream cheese on there. Now, we'll top our cream cheese off with some sharp cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, and jalapenos. We're going to want to go ahead and close the lid on our grill and keep them in there until everything gets nice and melted. Lastly, we're going to make cuts in between the skewers and on both ends. And just like that, you got some delicious bison loaded brats ready to serve. Follow us for more recipes that you can make better with bison.